time. Why I have to pay when I get discouraged and I don't know what to do. I remember God said, if I believe he'll see me through. Oh, if you call him love, oh, he'll be there. I need a witness today. He'll be there. Do you know he'll make a way for you? Devil's always trying to put me down. I'm not worried about it because God keep me safe and sound.